Hello, I'm Dr. Dayanayev with the Steinway Family Dental Center, and we get a lot of questions about dental emergencies. So today we're going to discuss that and answer some of those questions, or the most common questions that we get from you guys about dental emergencies. The first question we have is, what is considered to be a dental emergency? Well, dental emergency is something that you need to have immediate taken care of. Like, for example, if you're in pain, right? If you have pain, you have dental emergency. I mean, if it's a dental pain, of course. What would you need to have that will be determined by the doctor. But the first of all, you would need to call your dentist and schedule an appointment so that emergency could be addressed. Would I need to schedule with the dentist, or would I need to schedule an emergency appointment with the dentist, or do I have to go to the emergency room? How can I determine that? So the answer is, if it's just a regular cleaning, of course you know, or if you haven't seen a dentist for a little while and now it's time for you to go back, but nothing is bothering you, then it is not an emergency. You can just schedule your regular checkup appointment and your cleaning with your regular dentist. However, if you do have pain, then you would want to call your dentist and see if they can take you on emergency basis, which means they're not going to do a full checkup, cleaning on you, but they're going to address immediate problem that you have. Whatever is hurting you, they would check into that. Do you have to go to the emergency room? I would say not for that. However, if you are swollen, you woke up in the morning and your face is completely swollen, or the swelling is going down a little bit to your throat on the bottom here or on this side, then you may want to go to the emergency room. Before you go to the emergency room, you would want to make sure that that emergency room does have an oral surgeon on staff so you can get help, because not every hospital will have a dentist on staff. And then you won't be able to receive the help that you need. The next question we have is, what are the common type of dental emergencies and what could be done for them? There are dental emergencies, for example, let's say that a tooth came off the denture that you have. Is that a dental emergency? Yes, it is. It is to you. And you would need to call your dentist and see if they can take you on an emergency basis and put that tooth back into your denture as soon as possible. That is a dental emergency. The next dental emergency we're going to discuss, if you have a non-removable bridge, you have a fixed bridge or a fixed crown, and that crown came out. Now, that is a dental emergency as well, and you want to go to your dentist as soon as possible and have this crown or your bridge reattached. The next dental emergency we're going to discuss, if let's say your filling came out. A lot of times we get patients that come in and they just think that their filling came out, but most of the time the filling came out for a reason, because there's decay all around that filling. So you cannot glue a filling to a soft structure. It has to be hard structure. So you would need to clean all the decay, or have the dentist clean all the decay for you, and then put your new filling in if it's possible. A lot of times the patient would need to go to a crown on it, or maybe a root canal. If you have dental pain, that is also a dental emergency, and because you would want that pain to stop as soon as possible. So you would go to a dentist on an emergency basis. If you're swollen, that is also a dental emergency. If your face is swelling up, then you would go to see your dentist and see how they can help you with that. The next question is, when would I need emergency dental extraction? Well, whenever it's not possible to save your tooth, that is when you would need to have a dental extraction. It is the last resort, and most of the time, any dentist would try to save your teeth first, and only when it is not possible to save it anymore. For example, let's say if the tooth is fractured, let's say the tooth is cracked in half, then, and it is a vertical fracture, not horizontal one, that you can see that even the root of the tooth is fractured, then yes, you would need to remove that tooth. It's not savable anymore. The next question we got is, why would I need an emergency root canal? Well, of course, if you're not planning for a root canal to occur, and all of a sudden one morning you wake up in the middle of the night and you still have pain from that tooth, and you want to go to your dentist and see, and he will determine that you need the root canal. That is an emergency root canal. And hopefully your dentist is trained enough to get your root canal done the same day, and then you would have that done and the tooth will not hurt you as much anymore. The next question is if we offer the same-day care. Yes, we do. For the most part, if it is possible, if you're not coming at the very last minute of the day, we would offer you to stay that same day and take care of any dental emergency that you may have. This way, when you leave the office, you are not in as much pain as when you came in. The next question is, can I schedule late hours appointments? Yes, you can try to schedule late hour appointment, and we might be able to stay and help you out. So if you would like to do that, you should contact the office. The telephone number is 718-728-3314 and ask to speak with the scheduling coordinators. And they're very helpful and knowledgeable, and they will say what time you can come in the latest. The next question we got is, can I be seen on the weekends? And the answer is yes. We are open one Sunday a month, at least at this moment. You can come in on that Sunday and be seen, and whatever you need to have done, even if it is a dental emergency and you need root canals or extraction, it could be possibly done that same day. Those are all the questions we have about dental emergencies. If you have a dental emergency, you can give us a call here at Steinway Family Dental Center at 718-728-3314, or you can go online at alldentalneeds.com and schedule an appointment for us to take care of your dental emergency.